What's up? My name is Luke. Today we're going to make elephant toothpaste. I know, crazy, right? But we're going to explore the difference between chemical and physical changes while making some elephant toothpaste. Let's get to it.
Elephant toothpaste is an example of a chemical change. Before we begin, let's talk about the difference between physical and chemical changes. Ice melting is an example of a physical change. When ice melts, it is still water. The matter has only changed its physical property. Physical changes such as size, shape, color, or state can be measured and seen. A physical change happens when the physical properties of the matter change, but the matter itself does not change. Burning wood is an example of a chemical change. When wood burns and turns into ash, a new substance is created. A chemical change happens when matter breaks down into two or more substances, or when two substances combine to form something new. Chemical changes cannot be reversed. Signs of a chemical change are a new substance being created, gas production, temperature change, or an odor being produced. Now let's make some elephant toothpaste to create a chemical change. You will need a plastic bin, a plastic bottle, a cup, a funnel, a half cup measuring cup, 1 tablespoon 40 volume hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, active dry yeast, safety glasses, plastic gloves, and lastly, something to heat water in. I have a kettle. Step 1. Put on your safety glasses and gloves. Next, put the funnel in the bottle and add a half cup of 40 volume hydrogen peroxide to the bottle. Next, add a few drops of dish soap and a few drops of food coloring, and gently swirl the bottle. Step 2. Heat some water to around 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now pour the yeast into your small plastic cup. Then pour 4 tablespoons of warm water into the cup. Now stir the mixture together as best as you can. Step 3. Now this is the fun part. Put the funnel back in the bottle and pour the yeast mixture into the bottle and watch what happens. Hey-o, and there you have it. That is elephant toothpaste. Let's talk about how it works. The yeast works as a catalyst to release the oxygen molecules from the hydrogen peroxide. The oxygen-filled bubbles, which make up the foam, are actually the remainder of what happens when the hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water, H2O, and oxygen, O2. The bottle and the foam will actually feel warm to the touch because this is an exothermic reaction in which energy in the form of heat is given off. Remember, elephant toothpaste is an example of a chemical change. A chemical change happens when matter breaks down into two or more substances, or when two substances combine to form a new substance. In this instance, we combine the water, yeast, and peroxide to create a new substance, elephant toothpaste.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out the other videos on this channel for more STEM projects and activities. Have a great day.